Do you know you can make $50 every day just by simply typing online? Yes, you heard me right. There are several websites that will pay you to type online. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started to start earning in dollars for just typing online. This is something you can do from anywhere across the globe, from the comforts of your home. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom or a student, or you're someone looking for a side income to supplement your current job, this can actually work for you. So if you believe it's gonna work for you, I want you to like this video and affirm that it will work for you by commenting "work for me." Do that right away. Comment "work for me." And also, if you haven't joined this community, I want you to smash that subscribe button right now so we can create a financial free society, because we are just kickstarting. This is Wealthy Mindsets with Chidi, a channel where I share information on how to make money online. So ensure that you stick with me to the end of this video, as I will be putting you through on how you can get started with making money online just by typing. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. Now, typing is one of the most easiest thing anyone can get started with today. And this particular job is one that you would basically want to do. If you're someone that does not have capital to start anything, or you do not want to indulge in anything that has to do with technical, all you have to do is to sit with your laptop, typing out things online and making money for yourself. There are several areas to this. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 websites that will help you achieve this for yourself. And the third one is the one I'm most excited about. The first on my list is transcribeme.com. Do not worry, links to this site will be pasted down below the descriptions for easy access. This is more like a transcription service provider, and all they simply do is to help individual or people transcribe whatever content they have, be it audio or video. This company is trusted by top brands like Oracle, Harvard University, Facebook, and so on. Now, there are 3 steps to becoming a transcriptionist on this platform. The first is you have to create an account with them. The second is you have to connect your payment account. And the third is you're going to take an entrance exam. After passing the exam, your account will be activated and you start making money from typing online, just from the comfort of your home. These are some of the reviews here. Transcribe Me has allowed me to maintain a flexible schedule. This gives me the freedom to be able to work when I want. And this here says, I love every second of it. I love to work when I want to work and not when I don't feel like working. This is the exciting thing about working online. You work on your own terms. As a beginner here, you earn as much as $15 to $22 per audio hour, and you can earn as much as $250 monthly, which means you can start earning $15 per hour as a beginner. This is exciting. Now, at this point, if you find this video interesting, give it a like and also join the Wealthy Mindset community by subscribing to this channel. This will help others discover this channel. And also remember, the goal is to create a financial free society. So do that right away. Now, the second on my list is SCRIBIE. SCRIBIE is a very reliable company that pays people on a daily basis for typing with just your computer. SCRIBIE pay rate is high and they are constantly looking for transcribers to join their team. You can get started on this platform if you have a good English comprehension, ability to interpret conversation, ability to apply contents and identify mistakes, a verified withdrawal account, laptop and internet connection, and a headset. They also employ from around the globe. Basically, it takes 3 steps to become a transcriptionist on this platform. The first step is to create a free account. The second step is to connect your payment account. And the third step is to take their transcription test. The transcription test isn't that difficult. You will get a guide of what is expected of you to do. So you need to go through this guide here, study it, go for the test, and once you pass it, you are ready to start making money online. Here it says, we provide automated transcripts to save you around 60% of the typing efforts. This is one exciting thing about Scribie. They already provided an automated transcript for you. All you need to do is to listen, and then you go on to correct the errors you found in the text. And finally, you get paid. As a beginner here, you earn up to $400 per month. As an intermediate, you earn up to $800 per month. As an advanced transcriptionist, you earn $1,600 per month. The links to this site will be pasted down below the descriptions for easy access. Finally, the last on my list is called Ref. Ref is the dream of all transcriptionists. I'm already excited about it because this website is an amazing website. The pay rate is very competitive. Here you can work as a transcriber, you can work as a captioner, and also as a subtitler. So if you have skills beyond transcription, you are going to make a lot of money here. So here, when you work on audio or video file, you earn $1.50 per minute. And also for English closed captioning, you earn $1.50 per minute. And then for translation and subtitling, you earn up to $5 per minute. So once you get accepted on this platform, you will get a lot of opportunity. You click on this sign up to be a ref freelancer to get started. It takes 3 steps to get on this platform and start making money. The first step is to take a quick test. The second step is to submit a transcription sample. And finally, if you're approved, you'll be able to register and start earning right away. Alright guys, I hope you found this video useful. So if you got value in this video, I want you to give it a like and also subscribe. I'll be glad to welcome you. So until my next video, it's bye.